Welcome guys, if you want to transfer data from Huawei smartphone to your LG K61, for the first you have to go for the Play Store and get application to transfer data. So let's go here, and right now you have to type in the search tool CLONEit and get this application. It's really easy to use and it's totally free, so you don't have to pay for it, right? And on this Huawei phone you have to do the same. I did it, so right now I can open it, and right now we are waiting for the LG. When it's finished, just go and open, click allow 2 times, read the privacy stuff, and then just tap on yes, we agree. So right now we are sending data from this left smartphone. There's the Huawei, so click here sender and receiver on your LG. Click allow, tap on the search again, and here we got our smartphone, so click on this icon and we have 2 ways to connect. We can scan this code and also we can input the password manually. So you have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the code, it's just the faster way. So grab your phone, put it the frame into the QR code, and right now we have to accept the request, right? So if you want to send everything, you have to click all of these icons and just click start, and everything will be in this LG K61. But if you want to get some details, you have to go on the bottom section. Then for example, I will show you the preview on this music. So I take these 2 songs, or maybe these 2, from the League of Legends and Post Malone. Click start, okay, and here we are. There's 100%, there's finished. So right now we can move for our files and let's check where it is. Okay, so let's go for the folder of the files. Here it is, and right here we got our music that we sent from the Huawei smartphone. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!